Picture earning between $17 and $60 an hour just by sending emails, all from your own home. No phone calls, no need for a phone, just emails, and you can work from anywhere with a good internet connection. In today's online world, more businesses need people who can manage emails for customer support and technical help, so these jobs are growing. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'll show you how to use AI to write emails that make you sound smart and capable. Welcome to Dinero Academy. In today's video, we're diving into 6 trustworthy companies hiring for remote email support jobs. These positions come with good pay, benefits, and flexible hours, and you can do them all from home. Some are available worldwide, while others are more specific to certain areas. First up is Squarespace, a well-known company looking for customer support associates. If you're unfamiliar, Squarespace is a major platform that helps people and businesses build great websites easily. They're hiring for their customer operations team right now. That said, these kinds of jobs keep popping up as companies like Squarespace grow and need more help. For this role, you can work in the USA, including Hawaii or Australia, earning around $17.55 per hour. Though it depends on where you are. It's a full-time remote job, 40 hours a week, where you'll reply to customers through live chat and email, no phone needed. I'll teach you how to handle this. About 90% of the work is typing, so you'll need to be decent at it, but not super fast. You'll help with things like billing, domain issues, and website management, meet customer satisfaction goals, and keep up with new features through training they provide. To qualify, you need to be okay working weekends and holidays, have 1 year of experience dealing with customers, and be good at communicating and handling multiple tasks. Knowing a bit about Squarespace helps, and you'll need steady Wi-Fi. What do you get? Full health insurance coverage, a health savings account, fertility and adoption support, retirement plans, flexible time off, 20 weeks of parental leave, and $100 monthly to help with home expenses like internet. Employees rate Squarespace highly, 4.7 out of 5 for benefits. I'll link all these jobs in the description so you can apply directly. Now let's talk about writing great emails with AI to impress your boss. We'll use ChatGPT for this. I asked ChatGPT to create a sample customer email for a Squarespace support associate, like this one on screen, urgent issue with my Squarespace website not loading. I won't read it aloud, but you can check it out while I talk. Basically, the customer says their site shows a blank screen or an error message, and they've already tried basic fixes like clearing their browser cache. With 5 years in customer service, I can tell you every company has rules for handling customers, which you'll learn in training. The cool part? Tools like ChatGPT often know these rules from online info, so you can use it to reply smartly. For this example, I'd tell ChatGPT, respond to this email with Squarespace policy and procedure in mind, then paste the customer's message. The result is polite, caring, and professional, perfect for the job. You just review it to make sure it fits the company's style. This is a made-up scenario, but the method works. I use ChatGPT for my own emails all the time. Some companies let you use tools like this on their systems. Others might need you to transfer the email to your own device and back if allowed. Since you're at home, there's some wiggle room. Now that you see how AI can make email writing easy, let's move to the second job. Shopify, a big e-commerce platform for online stores. They're hiring technical support specialists for remote work in the Americas, especially Canada. Pay ranges from $46,000 to $69,000 a year, about $22 to $33 an hour. It's full-time, remote. You'll guide merchants via email and chat on tricky issues, update help resources, explain technical stuff simply, work with teams, and stay current on Shopify's products. You need some tech or software experience, problem-solving skills, and strong writing, which AI can boost if allowed. Benefits include good pay, possible bonuses, paid training, growth opportunities, flexible schedules, and wellness support. Employees rate Shopify 3.3 out of 5 overall, 4.5 for benefits. Links are in the description. Third is Orders, a workflow management platform offering email-based tech support roles. They pay up to $58,000 a year, around $28 an hour, for full-time remote work, 40 hours a week. You'll handle email support, join video calls if needed, and tackle complex tech issues. You need 2 years of email-based tech support experience, good problem-solving, and clear English writing. ChatGPT can help there. Benefits include flexible time off, parental leave, health services, tech upgrades, and company retreats. Employees give Orders a perfect 5 out of 5, though it's a small group, and interviews are a bit tough. Links below. Next is Inksub, offering remote jobs worldwide, focusing on email support for WordPress users. Pay ranges from $2 to $50 an hour based on experience. Check the links below. Then there's Quickmail, supporting email and LinkedIn outreach tools, remote in European time zones, paying $20 to $60 an hour. You'll need email marketing or CRM experience, links below. Finally, Stable hires customer support specialists for email inquiries in US time zones, paying $17 to $45 an hour. You'll troubleshoot and manage email responses. Links in the description. These work-from-home email jobs pay well and offer flexibility. After this video, many will apply, so if you're late, openings might be gone, but check back. They often return. Until next time, take care.